Study of social stratification. Introduction to social stratification. In all societies, people differ from each other on the basis of their age, sex, and personal characteristics. Human society is not homogeneous but heterogeneous. Apart from the natural differences, human beings are also differentiated according to socially approved criteria. So socially differentiated mean are treated as socially unequal from the point of view of enjoyment of social rewards like status, power, income, etc. That may be called social inequality. The term social inequality simply refers to the existence of socially created inequalities. Social stratification means division of society. It is an important concept in sociology. Thinkers explain about it. The social stratification have been affect the health status of people. Example, high class people having different health status than middle class people. Knowledge of social stratification need to nursing to equally distribution of healthcare services. What is mean by social stratification? The process by which individuals and groups are ranked in a more or less enduring hierarchy of status is known as social stratification. Some of the definitions following. According to Murray, social stratification is a hierarchical division of society into higher and lower social units. Example, caste in India, race in USA. According to Lindbergh, a satisfied society is marked by inequality, by differences among people that are evaluated by them as being lower and higher. According to Gisbert, social stratification is the division of society into prominent groups of categories linked with each other by the relationship of superiority and subordinations. According to Williams, social stratification refers to the ranking of individuals on a scale of superiority, inferiority, and equality according to some commonly accepted basis of valuation. Origin of social stratification. According to Davis, social stratification has come into being due to the functional necessity of the social system. Sorokin attributed social stratification mainly to inherited difference in environmental conditions. According to Karl Marx, social stratifications are responsible for the emergence of different social strata, that is social stratification. According to Spengler, social stratification is founded upon scarcity which is created whenever society differentiates positive in terms of functions and powers. Racial differences accompanied by dissimilarity also leads to stratification. Types of social stratification. First class, second caste, 3 race. Detail going on. First class. Stratification on the basis of class is dominant in modern society. In this, a person's position depends to a very great extent upon achievement and his ability to use to advantages the inborn characteristics and wealth that he may possess. Second caste. It is a hereditary endogamous social group in which a person's rank and its accompanying rights and obligations are ascribed on the basis of his birth into a particular group. For example, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaisyas and Sudra. Three, race. The term race refers to group of people who have differences and similarities in biological traits deemed by society to be socially significant, meaning that people treat other people differently because of them. Racism is prejudice based on socially significant physical features. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.